Hello everybody, my name is Mr. Jeff from Baxter Memorial Library and welcome to today's lesson. Today I'd like to teach you how to play Somewhere Over the Rainbow, a very famous ukulele song, on your ukulele. Now at this point, if you're just tuning in, I'd highly recommend checking out 4 of my previous tutorial videos. They include how to tune a ukulele. I lay out the different parts of the ukulele so you know exactly what you're playing, and it kind of concretes the whole concept of the ukulele in your mind, as well as some chords that luckily we will be playing in this song. I'll introduce a new one as well though. Woohoo. And some strumming patterns so you can get used to strumming this before we hop right in. So, welcome. Let's learn how to play Somewhere Over the Rainbow. This song has a variation in it. We have a verse and a chorus. These are two different chord progressions. So I'll be teaching those to you now. In the verse, it begins with C, goes to E minor, F, and back to C. F again, then C, drop it to G. Ooh, drop it to the correct way of playing G, to A minor, and F. That's the verse. The chorus gets trimmed up a little bit. The chorus repeats itself twice, but this is the chord progression. C, E minor, A minor, F, and then it repeats. C, E minor, A minor, and F. At this point, I would highly recommend pausing the video and going back with me. You know how the chord progression is going to be now. So play along with me. See if you can do this. I know you got it in you. I have it in me. And I learned ukulele just this summer. You can do this. Now, let's concentrate on the strumming pattern. This gets a tiny bit tricky. I'll go nice and slow. The strumming pattern for this song is down, down, up, up, down. And then you do that on repeat. Down, down, up, up, down. 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 Do I sound like a clock ticking in the background? Because that's how it's going to sound. Let's try that strumming pattern on C. Down, down, up, up, down. 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 You do that pattern, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, with each chord. So our strumming pattern is not any different throughout this whole song, but our chord progressions during the verse and the chorus change. So let's play through a verse with that strumming pattern and that chord progression. I will be calling out the different chords while you are getting your strumming patterns correct, okay? So I'm going to count you in at 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, E minor, F, C, F, C, G, A minor, mention, I just messed up that strumming pattern a little bit. But I don't fret, and neither should you. Here's the secret of the trade. Most people don't know exactly what you're doing, but they still think it sounds amazing. For sure. Next comes the chorus. Now the chord progression here is C, E minor, A minor, and F. Then you do it again, so you repeat that, and you have the chorus. It sounds something like this. Let's begin on C, and I'll count you in up to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, E minor, A minor, F, C, E minor, A minor, F, and then you go back to the verse. So in this song, it goes verse, verse, chorus, chorus, verse, chorus, chorus, verse. And it plays it out. Do you think you can line up all of those different elements and make a song? I think you can. Now again, take time. Have the patience. Back up. Learn the strumming pattern. Learn those chord progressions. We have a verse, we have a chorus. All the same strumming pattern, different progressions. And then chalk it up to this. Ladies and gentlemen, I bring to you Somewhere Over the Rainbow. Where the clouds are far behind me, or someone melts like lemon drops so high above the chimney tops. That's where you'll find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow, way up high. Someday I'll wish upon a star and wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where trouble melts like lemon drops so high above the chimney tops. That's where you'll find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow, way up high. There's a dream that you dreamed of, oh, once in a lullaby. there you have it. Play it loud, play it proud, practice that ukulele, get to somewhere over the rainbow, and enjoy everybody. Take your time with it. Get to know the parts before you put it all together. You will be quite surprised and shocked at how well you can play that song when you put some time into it. This is Mr. Jeff signing off from Baxter Memorial Library. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. Whatever days lie ahead, keep them wonderful too. See you all in the next video.